you take a product like the MFC, BAE Systems and Aish have engaged in different manners over the years. Where we are today, we've got a proven design, so now we're in part number ordering. So these days what we'll do is a request for quotation, but that will just refer to a single part number, recognising any changes that we might need to be applying in this instance of the build. During the design and manufacturing phase, Aish and BAE Systems will operate in a variety of ways.
We capture the customer's requirements using a verification matrix which leads the design life cycle to assure our focus on cost efficiency, safety compliance, design for manufacture and through life support of the design and the product. We have regular progress reviews, typically somewhere like monthly. There will also be design reviews to review where we are in the design at any given stage. Over and above that is regular communications that we're looking to have established between the two project managers on either side to ensure that there is an open and honest level of communication. In terms of manufacturing changes incorporated into design, Aish Technologies work in accordance with their quality procedures by way of capturing issues on a traceable record. Those can come from any part of the business. They're sent on to engineering department and those will be responded to with a resolution in short term.
When we get change from customers and internally, we have to manage that in terms of time. When did that change happen? Is it something that's already in the fleet? And what are we going to do about it? Once we receive a design from engineering, the front end of the business is about doing it properly and getting it right. What are we going to buy? What are we going to make? And when are we going to do those things?
To ensure the product being delivered is aligned to the original system design requirements, really starts with BAE Systems to ensure the contract is appropriate and that we are clear in what our requirements are. Thereafter, it's going to go into reviews to ensure that as the item is being built, progressed, developed, that it's appropriate and really in accordance with what we're looking for as a delivered product. There's also going to be factory acceptance tests, which are going to look to ensure the requirements are tested to ensure we have the right level of functionality.
Once completed through production, the MFC is tested to a written procedure to ensure it's both electrically safe and fully functional. The QA department will then carry out a physical configuration audit to ensure that it's been assembled and tested in accordance with all Aish procedures and systems. The customer will then be invited to a source inspection event where the contract and other relevant documentation is reviewed. The goods are finally inspected by the customer's QA representative and then they are sent for packing and dispatch.